So in this video, we're going to talk about blog commenting. Blog commenting is basically a tactic or a method that allows you to drive traffic back to your website or to your blog. Your goal is basically to go to Google and find other blogs that allow you to comment and create interaction within the same niche. The more specific the niche, the better. So what you're going to do is post comments on other blogs. And what I like to do is I try to find blogs that have posts with a lot of interaction. The more interaction, the better, because the more interaction, the more people are looking at the blog posts. The less interaction, you might have people actually reading the posts and not responding. However, it's something that you need to test out. One thing though that I've noticed that even for me, when I email out or I ask people to take an action, I'd say out of 100 people that read an email, a blog post, or whatever, out of every 100, you'll have about 1 or 2 people that will actually respond. So you kind of sort of gauge it in that way. So if you have 4 to 5 people interacting, you could have 400 or 500 people actually reading that blog post. Now, before you actually post your comment on the blog and you read the article and all that, before you do that, make sure that the blog that you're posting to is high quality. Because if you do that, instead of posting on every single blog that you find or every blog that has a high page rank, post on blogs that have interaction, that are high quality, that are updated, because what happens is you ensure that the traffic that you're getting is high quality. So if you think of these few things before you actually go out and start commenting on blogs, then the traffic that you get is going to be a lot more high quality. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and find a blog to post on. Now, there are different ways of finding blogs. You can pretty much type in WordPress, and you can use this for different blogging platforms too. Even blogger.com has a commenting feature too. Some people do turn off the commenting feature, so I would recommend that you check that out first and then go read the article. So, for example, let's say that I am looking for a blog on dating. So I'll say dating plus WordPress. And I want to put my keyword in quotations. So let's say, for example, that you do have a dating website, a dating tips website, or you're giving away a dating ebook or something for free to build your list. Then you can narrow it down by putting dating tips plus WordPress, so you can find dating tips for guys or online dating tips. And we'll just start opening up stuff so we can pick and choose the blogs that we want to comment to. And my goal is basically just to find as many blogs as I can, but keep in mind that they are quality based. Okay, so once I do that, then I can start looking for blogs. And before I actually read this article, what I want to do is scroll down here to make sure that I can comment, and yes, I can. So that's good. That's the first step. The second step is, okay, is this blog worth posting on? It was updated on March 10th, 2009, which was yesterday, so that's good. And let's look at the other blog posts and make sure that they are quality based. So if you look through them and you feel like they are quality based, then the next step I usually do is try to figure out, okay, I'm going to choose something that was created a while ago, like February 24th, and what I'm going to do is basically copy that. I'm going to go to Google to see if that post was ever indexed. Because my goal is not necessarily just to post on any blog. I want to make sure that that blog is being indexed by the search engines, and if so, there we go. So it is. So what you can do is read the article, try to go through it, and then when you comment on it, don't say something like, oh, this is a nice blog or this is a nice post. Give some detail. I mean, you can read it a little bit, and you can even read this paragraph because you know that this is about how to meet more women. So what you can do is maybe read a paragraph and try to relate to it and then respond to it, and then put your website here, because what you get is you get one-way backlinks to your blog or to your website. And if we go back to Google, you can use the same method but replace the keyword WordPress with something like Blogspot. So you can find Blogspot blogs that are relating to dating tips. You could also change it with different blog platforms like LiveJournal or Typepad, things like that. But I just want you to understand that if you do post to a blog, make sure that it is being indexed by Google. You could check with the Alexa ranking, or you could check the PageRank for Google. Now, if you don't want to go through all this manual process, there are software tools like Comment Hut. You go to CommentHut.com, they actually offer you a free version of Comment Hut. Of course, it gives you a limited amount of searches, but you can try that out, and if you like it, then you can purchase it. But I used this product when it just came out, and I knew the creator of the software, and he let me review it, and I checked it out, and I actually began to see a lot of traffic come in just using this method alone. And the nice thing is you get a lot of backlinks, and the program tells you what the page rank is. Now, for the majority of the time, I got PageRank from 1 to 5. There wasn't a lot of 6, 7 type of backlinks, but for the majority of it, I was focusing on blogs that I saw interaction, that I saw being indexed, and I saw that were quality based. Because this method does take time when you do read the article, so it's about 15 to 20 minutes each one, but if you think about it, a lot of sites out there where you pay for text links, and you're paying about $10 to $20 a month per text link. If you take 15 to 20 minutes per day, or just let's say 40 minutes a day to post 3 backlinks per day, then if you think about it, you're getting a lot of backlinks. And you can also outsource this as well. You can have other people, virtual assistants, reading articles, responding to them with quality-based responses, and you want to make sure that your responses are detailed and quality-based. Offer a tip, offer another advice in response to that article. But of course, you don't want to make it look like that you're trying to steal the traffic. You want to make it look like it's an actual response, so that your response stays on the blog, because remember, the blog owner still has the opportunity to click delete on your comment. So just make sure that it's not a spam related comment and it's of high quality based, and you will definitely yield a lot of great results.